Hi everyone, I am Dr. T. Srinivasulu, Assistant Professor of Mathematics. Today we will learn about change of variables. In previous videos, already we discussed the 6 methods for finding integrating factors. These 6 methods are already we discussed. The first method, inspection method, and second one, homogeneous. This is the third one, fourth one, fifth one. These methods already we discussed the previous videos. Today we will discuss the new method, that is change of variable. If a differential equation which does not come under any above forms, and if it can be reduced to any one of the form by suitable substitution, then it can be solved by the change of dependent or independent variable. గివెన్ డిఫరెన్షియల్ ఈక్వేషన్ అనేది మనం ఆల్రెడీ డిస్కస్ చేసిన 6 ఫామ్స్లలో ఏ ఫామ్లో లేకపోయినప్పుడు సూటబుల్ సబ్స్టిట్యూషన్ యూజ్ చేసి ద డిఫరెన్షియల్ ఈక్వేషన్ని కన్వర్ట్ ఇంటూ ఈ 6 ఫామ్స్లో ఏదో ఒక ఫామ్లోకి కన్వర్ట్ చేయాలి. అలా చేసి సొల్యూషన్ చేసే ప్రొసీజర్ని మనం ఏమంటామంటే చేంజ్ ఆఫ్ డిపెండెంట్ వేరియబుల్ ఆర్ చేంజ్ ఆఫ్ ఇండిపెండెంట్ వేరియబుల్, దట్ ఈస్ చేంజ్ ఆఫ్ వేరియబుల్ మెథడ్. Solve the differential equation x dx plus y dy by x dy minus y dx equal to under root of square root of a square minus x square minus y square by x square plus y square. How to solve this problem by using the change of variable method? We discuss. Given differential equation is x dx plus y dy by x dy minus y dx equal to square root of a square minus x square minus y square by x square plus y square. This is equation number 1. Let x equal to r cos theta, y equal to r sin theta, and plus we know that x square plus y square equal to r square cos square theta, r square sin square theta is equal to r square, and tan theta equal to sin theta by cos theta, r sin theta by r cos theta equal to y by x. Now differentiate with respect to x. 2x dx plus 2y dy equal to 2r dr. Therefore, x dx plus y dy equal to r into dr. Now tan theta derivative, secant square theta into d theta equal to x dy u by v rule minus y dx by x square. These values substitute in the equation 1, we get 1. X dx plus y dy equal to how much? R into dr by x dy minus y dx equal to x square secant square theta d theta equal to under root of a square minus x square plus y square equal to how much? R square by denominator also r square. R into dr by, what is the x value? R cos theta. So r square cos square theta into secant square theta into d theta equal to square root of a square minus r square by r. Here cos square theta secant square theta cancel, r cancel. Here also both side denominator r cancel. It becomes dr by d theta equal to square root of a square minus r square. Dr by d theta equal to under root of a square minus r square. Dr by square root of a square minus r square equal to d theta. Integrate both sides. Dr by square root of a square minus r square equal to integral of d theta plus c. Integration of 1 by integral of dx by under root of a square minus x square. We know that sin inverse of x by a, here also sin inverse of, in place of x, r by a equal to theta plus c. R by a equal to sin of theta plus c. R equal to a sin of theta plus c. What is the r value? R equal to under root of x square plus y square. We know that, but x square plus y square equal to how much? R square. So r equal to under root of x square plus y square equal to a sin of, what is the theta value? Tan inverse of y by x plus c. So therefore x square square root of x square plus y square equal to a sin of c plus tan inverse of y by x. This is the required solution. Required solution. Now, second problem. Solve the differential equation secant square y dy by dx plus 2x tan y equal to x cube by substitution tan y derivative secant square y. So, given differential equation is secant square y into dy by dx plus 2x tan y equal to x cube. This is equation number 1. Let tan y equal to t. We know that tan y derivative secant square y into dy by dx equal to dt by dx. Substitute this value in the equation number 1 by 1. Secant square y dy by dx equal to dt by dx plus 2 x into tan y equal to how much? T equal to x cube, that is dt by dx plus 2x into t equal to x cube, which is the form of linear differential equation, which is the form of dy by dx plus py equal to q. This is the form linear differential equation in t. So, what is the p value? P equal to 2x, q equal to x cube, Now, integrating factor equal to e power integral of p dx, e power integral of 2x dx is equal to e power x square. Now, general solution of 2, we know that t into integrating factor equal to q into integrating factor into dx plus c, because here t means this is the linear differential equation in t. So, that is why t into integrating factor. Now, t into, what is the integrating factor? E power x square. What is the q value? X cube into e power x square dx plus c, that is t e power x square equal to, this can be written as half into x square e power x square into 2x dx plus c, x square derivative 2x, substitution by using let x square equal to v, we get 2x dx equal to dv, implies t into e power x square equal to half into x square equal to how much? V, e power x square, e power v, 2x dx dv plus c. t e power x square equal to half into integral of v e power v dv plus c of this is the uv rule, integration of uv, integral of uv formula u integral of v minus u dash integral of v. So what is the u v? Integration of e power v minus integral of u dash v derivative 1 e power v integration e power v dv plus c equal to half into v e power v minus e power v plus c equal to v minus 1 half into v minus 1 e power v plus c, but v equal to how much? X square equal to half into x square minus 1 e power x square plus c, but t equal to tan y. Put the first tan y equal to t, but t equal to tan y. Substitute this value in the above equation. Tan y into e power x square equal to half into x square minus 1 into e power x square plus c, both side divided by e power x square. Therefore, tan y equal to half into x square minus 1 in plus c e power minus x square, which is the required solution of the given differential equation, which is the required solution of the given differential equation. Thank you.